The eruptive activity has gradually decreased in recent days. The decrease in activity is visible on the webcam, and the volcanic tremor has gradually decreased over the past few days. The active lava flow remains within the existing lava field, with little or no visible progress beyond its edge. The latest data shows that transmission continues at Svartsengi. GPS measurements show a gradual increasing trend at several stations. The latest satellite images from ICEYE confirm the signals received from the GPS instruments. Despite the decrease in volcanic activity, gas pollution is still present. The gas distribution forecast indicates light winds today, so significant gas pollution is unlikely in the area. During the weekend, northerly winds are expected on Saturday, changing to southerly winds on Sunday. As a result, gas may be detected at Vågå on Sunday. Visitors to the area are advised to take into account the gas distribution forecast from ICEYE and follow the guidance on gas pollution at loftgadi.is. There has been no significant change in eruptive activity in the active crater in recent days, supported by seismic measurements. Lava continues to flow from the active crater, mostly moving southeast towards Fagradalsfjell. There are small changes in the lava front, but overall the movement is slow. The crater continues to form, increasing the risk of structural collapse. If this happens, the direction of the lava flow could change, but infrastructure is not considered at risk due to the location of the crater. The data obtained show a balance between the flow of magma into the reservoir beneath Svartsengi and the outflow of lava on the surface from the active crater. Gas pollution was measured at Husafjell, east of Grindavik, over the weekend. Strong northerly winds carried the gas south from the eruption site.